Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape, remove the background, select the erase color. Then select another shape, change the color, duplicate the shape. Then select another shape, remove the background color, select the erase color, adjust the shape, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.